us out. We are en route to the ultimate kit car show.
Yay!
And we've got the bug. Hopefully back there still.
Should be back, yeah.
And I'm trying out this gimbal that Stu's bought, which is pretty impressive. So it's a long drive from North Wales to Coventry.
Bank quality traffic.
Quality traffic. Yeah. I think we're pretty mad, to be honest, but let's get going.
I can't actually believe we were considering driving the bug that distance.
In the ways of the week, the time's complete alone. You're the flag, the cream, my strength in me, I know. And you're driving me crazy. You keep on running, slow down, you go too fast, love. I'm telling slow down, I can't keep up, love. Your heart is shrinking faster, and baby, there's enough to come. And how do you know? How do you solve? How do you solve?
To the ultimate kit car show, or the national kit car show. The tent is up and it's started to rain, so the bug is under a tarpaulin. Over here we're ready to go for a little wander in the rain. Stu's been working hard. New headlights. There's a bit of paint on the bodywork as well, so it looks a little bit different to when you saw it last. We've even got some muck on the windscreen. So get some food.
Yeah, just going ahead from McDonald's, see what we see. Alright.
Toonie, this is for you. The McDonald's drive-through in the Mini. Hello? Can you hear me now? Why say hello and they're not? Whoa! They're not sat in the box. Oh, hello.
What drink do you want?
Coke.
Can I have 2 Big Mac meals large with a Coke? Yeah.
Yeah. Proper Coke, there, please.
Full fat Coke.
No.
Non-diet, full fat. Cheers.
Have a nice day. People are so miserable. I hate when people don't enjoy their job.
You're really unhappy.
Yeah. Note to McDonald's staff. Smile.
You know, you feckless kids.
Hi.
Fantastic, thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening. See? Happy employee. Happy. Right, so this is pretty much the end of day one. We're just going to go for a little cruise around the site. We've got some strobe lights on the car, and yeah, just one last little blip round before it's time to call it a day, and she was a drink. So
I've got a drink.
so he's got a drink in the car. Back
at the 10.
So this is the end of day one at the National Kit Car Show. But yeah, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully more coming tomorrow. But if you have enjoyed the video or the content, please subscribe to the channel, click that thumbs up button and comment down below. Thanks for watching.
Where do you want to hit?